In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photo transparent in Luminar Neo. We'll cover two common needs: making a whole layer partially see-through for a blended, ghosted look, and removing the background so your subject sits on a clear checkerboard, ready to export as a PNG. I'll walk you through each approach step by step so you can choose exactly the result you want. First, let's make a layer partially transparent. Open your photo in Luminar Neo and switch to Edit mode. If you plan to blend two images, add a second layer using the plus icon in the Layers tool. Select the layer you want to fade. In Layer Properties, find the Opacity slider. Drag it to the left to reduce visibility. Near 0, the layer becomes almost fully see-through. Somewhere in the middle gives you a soft, semi-transparent blend. This is a great way to create double exposure style effects or to let a texture or background subtly show through. Keep in mind that layer order determines which image sits on top, so if something doesn't look right, check which layer is selected and where it sits in the stack. Small, deliberate adjustments to opacity often look more polished than making a layer vanish completely. Now, if your goal is a transparent background, so only the subject remains, use Background Removal AI. Open your image, go to Edit mode, and in Layer Properties, switch to the Masking tab. Choose Background Removal AI and let it analyze the image. Luminar Neo will automatically detect the main subject and remove the background for you. You'll see a checkerboard behind the subject. That indicates transparency. If the edges need refining, use the Refinement brush tools. Transition helps smooth edge boundaries. Object restores parts of the subject that were mistakenly removed, and background cleans up leftover areas that should be transparent. Take your time around hair, fabric, or fine details. Small strokes usually produce better edges than big sweeps. When you're happy with the cutout, you're ready to export. To preserve transparency, save the image as a PNG. This format keeps the clear background, while formats like JPEG do not support transparency and will add a solid color instead. If you'll be layering the subject over graphics or web pages later, a PNG is the right choice. That's it. Whether you're blending layers with controlled opacity or creating a clean subject cutout with a transparent background, Luminar Neo makes it straightforward. Follow these steps, refine carefully, and export as PNG to keep that transparency intact.